On the side is where it opens. Put that like that. Okay, there we go. See what we got. Batteries. Okay. Here's the doorbell itself. Alright, put that right there. Got a screw, some more hardware, and a wire. Got a template for setting your screws in place. And the mounting bracket itself right here. And more stuff in here. We have an angle mount bracket. Charging cable. And charger. That seems to be everything. Got a code to scan here. Got a code to scan here. Code to scan here. And then you just scan those and put her together. So we'll see how that works for us. System, so I don't know if it works off this thing. Here's the batteries. They provide these Energizer batteries. And he's ready to be found. If it'll add the device to the existing system, I'm going to find out. And the bing, or the blink, hit the add doorbell, capture the code, and home, continue. Got the batteries in, got the cover back on, hitting continue, discover device. Continue. Someone's at your doorbell. And it's me. So it worked without having to put in a second, I don't remember what that is. But it's working. I will go mount it and we will go from there. Got it mounted here. It turns out we only needed one module. That was that white piece. The app is on my phone. It's on my wife's phone. We're both getting notifications for both bells. So right now it works great. I think we're going to enjoy it. And it has our thumbs up. Hey, y'all have a blessed day.